Hey guys, I thought I was going to make a video a lot earlier, but I took a nap after the drive back from Jeff Con, or now Mythic Con now. Uh, I'm gonna have a lot of videos about what I thought about it. There are several segments this weekend, and Monday we back to regular painting videos for that as well. I saw White Claw, DM Scotty, Rune Hammer as well. I haven't really like go up to them and talk to them like actual like a fan or anything. I just saw them, got a video of them, put them in the shorts. Due to the fact that I only watch some of their stuff. Some of their videos are actually helpful. I will link their YouTube down in not this video, but the next video. The fact that you get this video up as soon as possible before 12, and hopefully I can make that mark, but that's not gonna happen. So there's another myth. There's now it's called Mythicon because Jeff, the one who did the convention, passed away last, I think this year, or was it last year due to cancer. This is the last homage for him as well. So it's now Mythicon. I went to the merchants table. There were a lot of people selling dice. So one person selling WizKid figures. So I'll be able to sell 3D prints there for March. So I'll be there March in Asheville and sell 3D prints. My friend DM Jock is hopefully able to sell his terrain on Sunday, but they say every Sunday when people have money left, they'll buy it all. But I like a bin of $1, $3, and $5 worth of mini prints and bases as well for people to buy. That's what I'm probably gonna do over there. So I have a very good chance of doing that and without any kind of repercussion because I don't have a bin. You grab it, whatever, for that price and stuff like that. I think that would be a lot better in the long run. So that's good. There was a lot of board games there that people were playing, not as much. There were a lot of people were playing 3.5 and fifth edition and Pathfinder 1. So I'm going to end up DMing a 12-hour session for the Mythicon in Asheville. So I'm probably split like 4 hours in increments to GM. So do 4 hours of GMing, then I'm going to freaking sell for like a couple hours, then play some other games as well. I did test play the Neon Skies. That one of the YouTuber is actually DN for us, and I have mixed feelings about that, and it's okay and great, but I'll do more about that video for next ones as well. But overall, this is like one of the first East Coast con that I went to. That it looks okay. It looks okay. I wish there was more people there, but I just think that due to the inflation, the ticket prices, everything that's going on, not a lot of people did show up for that. So hopefully in March it'll be a lot better for people to come by. I'll get more like stuff out there, description and stuff if people want to go and meet me up, or your favorite YouTuber that does the miniature crafting and do like how to become a DM and stuff like that. They're usually there as well. I probably will talk to them one in March. Once I stay at the hotel and they would have a couple drinks in me, so that would be pretty cool as well. But yeah, it was a fun experience. I was surprised. My friend I booked me at 2 o'clock for one of the White Claws game, so I was like, "Oh, great!" And then yeah, so I actually saw one of the terrains that the YouTuber made, the cyberpunk one. I'm like, that looks fucking awesome. But I'm also like, I can make it better. I don't be a dick or anything. I just look at it, I'm like, I can help you with this, but also like he doesn't know me, so it's like, yeah. It just became really weird, awkward. It was kind of funny too because when he was DMing it, DM Scotty was DMing the other side of the room. It was their party was loud as hell, and he got very annoyed. You can just look at his face. He does not know how to handle that noise and stuff. And I'm partially deaf, so I told him I speak louder. It doesn't help that he try to speak louder. And the other party is is yelling too. So like I hear that screaming and yelling and wailing than his own voice that I'm trying to play. I was playing it was like a D6 type of game as well. So a lot of cool freebies. Um, a lot of board games. A lot of empty tables board game. I was really surprised to see a lot of empty table with board game. I thought more people would be there. Board game. I know there was a line for people to play the on Friday that it first started to play the 3.5 or Pathfinder 1. So that would be probably my best bet to DM for 3.5 and Pathfinder 1 as well. And I think a lot of people on Saturday got effed up because I heard a lot of people drunk that Friday night, and next day they just, hangover, headaches, like my friend David, and they're like all like sluggish for that matter as well. But it was funny to watch them. Beautiful hotel in the Hilton. I know the Asheville might be a little bit smaller, but the goal is to implement stuff there at the convention. So we'll have 3D prints there. We'll have plaster terrains there. I'll be DMing 3.5 or Pathfinder 1. I might do 5th edition. I really don't know. I think the gaming table for the actual DD or D20 module type games should have a bigger room. It's half the size of a banquet, so it was very small. Only a certain amount of people can actually DM it. For that matter, so hopefully we can actually get stuff going as much as possible, as soon as possible. I know I gotta make several character generations to have other people play it as well. Um, also, also, I had to research location of get food around that area because even though it's like a university area, there was like food scattered all over. Like Taco Bell closed down. Chick-fil-A has like an hour line. I gotta literally go way around like 3 blocks to find a Burger King. The Chinese buffet that's right across from the hotel is like $20 for dinner, and it's like particularly expensive. The food was really bad as well. So, I think for Asheville, where the hotel is, me and Ashley got to look at to see like what is the best possibility to get food in that area. Anyway, so if you do enjoy it, subscribe, like, and share. If you want to come to the Asheville Mythicon, I'll put the description for the next video for Saturday. I hope you do enjoy everything you have done for us, and thank you guys for the support. I'm gonna get stuff ready, get painted, hopefully my screen will come in so I can 3D print more stuff. I might sell some Tarask at the Mythicon as well because I know a lot of people love Tarask for various reasons, but I might have that in my game too. I might want to kill them all. I want to kill them all. Well, anyhow, guys, talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.